Welcome to the Green APA channel. In this video, you'll learn how to set up integration for sending and receiving messages from WhatsApp to Telegram using the Green APA. To get started, you'll need an authorized instance in the Green APA console. Learn more in our documentation or in the corresponding video on the channel. Next, let's prepare the Telegram bot for integration. Find the official bot bot channel as shown in the video. Click the button or send the start command. Send the new bot command to create a new bot. Send a name for the bot, the name users will see in the chat. Create and send a unique nickname ending in bot. Botfather will create your bot and send you a message with a token and a link to it. Save this token for later integration setup. Let's prepare the local server. We recommend using the Ngrok service or its equivalent. For more information on registering with the service, read the documentation or watch our other videos. You will need to obtain a unique token. Then launch Ngrok or its equivalent on HTTP 3000. All preparatory steps are complete. Let's install the integration. All commands and links are available in our documentation. Clone or create the project with the following command. Clone the integration repository. Install the dependencies with the following command. Open the .env file and configure the environment variables specifying the token obtained from Botfather and the public address of the server for receiving notifications which you received after launching Ngrok or its equivalent. After that, run the application with the npm start command. Go to the bot you created in Telegram and initiate a conversation with it. Connect the Green APA instance to receive WhatsApp messages. To do this, enter the command /instance space your instance 80 space APA token your instance from the Green APA console. Let's test the bot. It will now receive and send messages from your WhatsApp account connected to the Green APA instance to the bot's Telegram chat. The bot also supports sending messages and other commands. For a full list of commands, see the integration documentation. To stop the bot, press Ctrl+I in the console. In this video, you learned how to easily set up the integration to receive and send messages from WhatsApp to Telegram using the Green APA. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to contact our support team.